Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Harman Study Vlog. Today we discuss the topic lipids. So in this topic we will cover the definition of lipid, function of lipid and classification of lipid. So first start with definition of lipid. Lipids are heterogeneous group of organic compounds that is fatty acid. So lipid क्या heterogeneous group of organic compounds हैं that is fatty acids. दे आर कॉमनली नोन एज फैट्स. तो ये कॉमनली नोन होते हैं एज फैट्स. दे आर इनसल्यूबल इन वाटर एंड सल्यूबल इन नॉन पोलर ऑर्गेनिक सॉल्वेंट सच एज बेंजीन, क्लोरोफॉर्म, ईथर, हॉट अल्कोहल, एसीटोन एक्सेट्रा. सो ये इनसल्यूबल होते हैं इन वाटर और सल्यूबल होते हैं इन नॉन पोलर ऑर्गेनिक सॉल्वेंट्स. नेक्स्ट इज फंक्शन ऑफ लिपिड्स. The lipids serve the following important functions. They are structural component of cell membranes and mitochondria. So ये structural components हैं cell membranes and mitochondria. They are providing insulation against changes in external temperature. So ये provide करते हैं insulation against changes in external temperature. They serve as a source of high energy value. They form insulating and protective coating in the subcutaneous tissue and around certain organs such as kidney. So ये form करते हैं insulating and protective coating in the subcutaneous tissue and around certain organs such as kidney. They are acting as electric insulators in neurons. So neurons में ये act करते हैं as electric insulators. They are helping in absorption of fat soluble vitamins that is A, D, E and K. So ये help करते हैं fat soluble vitamins की absorption में. They are metabolic regulators. They act as surfactants, detergents and emulsifying agents. They play an important role in enhancing the taste and palatability to food. सो ये इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करते हैं टेस्ट को एनहेंस करने के लिए. द नेक्स्ट इज क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ लिपिड्स. सो वी क्लासीफाई दैम इनटू 4 कैटेगरीज. फर्स्ट सिंपल लिपिड, देन कंपाउंड लिपिड, डिराइव्ड लिपिड एंड मिसलेनियस लिपिड. सो इन सिंपल लिपिड दे आर ईस्टर्स ऑफ फैटी एसिड एंड अल्कोहल. If this alcohol is glycerol, then we call them as true fats and neutral fat. So here they are further divided into 2 categories. The first is triglyceride or neutral fat and the second is waxes. So triglyceride or neutral fat are esters of fatty acids and glycerol. The second category waxes are esters of fatty acid and alcohol other than glycerol. The second is compound lipids. They are fatty acid esterified with alcohol and other group like phosphoric acid, carbohydrates, etc. The first is phospholipid, then glycolipid and lipoprotein. So in phospholipid, as the name tell us, there is a phosphor group attached with lipid. In glycolipid, when carbohydrate is associated with lipid, or when it is protein associated with lipid, it is called lipoprotein. So phospholipid में जो phosphor group है वो attach है lipid के साथ. Glycolipid carbohydrate with lipid and lipoprotein protein with lipid. The next is derived lipid. They are derived from lipids or precursor of lipids, or these are the compounds which are derived from group 1 or group 2. So in derived lipids, it include fatty acid, steroids, fat soluble vitamins, cholesterol and its esters. Then the next is miscellaneous lipid. They possesses characteristics of lipids. So in miscellaneous lipids, it includes carotendiose, proteolipids. So is all about the lipids, definition of lipid, function and classification of lipids. Please subscribe, like, share or comment on my channel. Thanks for watching.